I want to show you how I won $2,000 free with my browser. I know you're about to skip this video, but if you're interested in winning $2,000 totally free, no courses, no subscriptions, no products to sell, nothing of that. Totally free, this video is for you. What we see here is my bank account. As you realize, on August 8th, we received $500. In July, $400. In June, $400 again, and so on, totally free. And you wonder how I got this? It's because I use the Brave browser, which pays you for use it. And if you're not using Brave, let me tell you, you're missing a lot. Brave is the only browser that currently exists that protected you 100%. If you do not use this browser, your information, your accounts are on risk. But I don't want you to believe it for me. Let's go to the official website of the Brave browser. This is its official website, where it shows you the 3 great advantages that it has compared to the browser you are using now. If you use Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, let me tell you that those browsers have already gone down in history. The Brave browser is so easy to use because it has been created like Google Chrome, so the way to use it is the same. But let's go to the 3 points that make Brave browser the best of 2019. Point number 1 is that the Brave browser is 8 times faster than any other browser. And here, we fear the test live. I want you to see it with me. The Brave browser has the symbol of the lion, and here we see it in the middle. They are opening the page CNN.com, and Brave opened the page in less than 3 seconds compared to Chrome or Firefox or Safari. For this reason, for me that I like speed, and for people who like speed, I choose Brave. Point number 2, and for me, it is crucial. It is the security that the Brave browser has. Brave is designed exclusively for people who work online, who make online purchases, who review their accounts online. Because Brave browser has an integrated Adblocker, it has protection against hackers, anti-spam, or any other threat that exists on the internet that wants to steal your information, but the Brave browser will not allow it. It has the best online security, and believe me, that an antivirus is not enough for your PC. It has not happened to you that you have a good antivirus, but suddenly, you download something and goodbye computer. So it's important to have a browser that protects you. The best security is inside the Brave browser. And point number 3, and for me the most important, is that the Brave browser pays you to use it. If you want to have these benefits like me, earn more than $2,000 simply by using the browser in your day-to-day, this is your chance. Brave pays you in 2 ways. First, let's go to my wallet, because yes, this browser has an integrated wallet. What you see here is Brave Rewards, and you realize I now have $5 to withdraw, totally free, and I earned it in a couple of hours while watching my Facebook. Brave browser will pay you to view ads that does not bother, and if you want, you click or close it. But if you click on it, it pays you to click and see that page. It's that simple. That's how Brave works, and that is how I have achieved great results. But you wonder how I got more benefits with the Brave browser. Well, it's because Brave pays you for being a creator. What it is to be a creator. Let's go to the official website, and here you can become a creator with your YouTube or Twitch channel and any website. And you can earn rewards and benefits by recommending this great browser with other people. For me, it's important to say that recommending this great browser is not only a benefit for me, but also for people who are going to be able to protect themselves better online, and at the same time, have the option of generating income with the Brave browser. And above all, give you a new tool to the present where there are new threats every day. For me, it is a win-win, and here in the description, I leave you the direct link of the Brave browser for you to join this great community.